In this video, I'm going to show you a completely free method which will allow you to repeatedly earn $10 with just 10 minutes work. What's up everyone, I'm Simon Traffs and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I research, test and share different programs and opportunities to help people earn an income online. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified when I release future videos. Now let's get started with the video. So the free method I'll be showing you in this video is called web testing or app testing, and this is where brands will pay you to review and give feedback on websites and apps that they're developing so they can work to improve them. Now with this method you're able to earn $10 for each test that you complete, and each test can usually take around 10 to 20 minutes, though you do get some that take around 5. Now even though you get paid $10 per test, there's not enough tests for you to complete to be doing them all day, every day. So you might go a few days without getting any, or you might get more than one in one day. It sort of varies. But I found it's possible to earn around $100 to $200 a month with this method. And even though $100 to $200 might not seem that much, if you can earn that extra every month with little time input, it's something that you can then invest into other methods of passive income that you can find on my channel. And you can use this to earn a lot more. I spent a lot of time researching different websites which you can join and take these kind of tests, and I've narrowed it down to 3 which I found to be the best ones that give you the most tests. And so these 3 websites I've left in the description below so you can sign up to all of them and join them, but I'll run through them all now. So the main website where I've been able to earn the most money from this is one called User Testing. And if you go on the website, you'll be able to see how it works. Once you're ready to sign up, you can just put your email address in here. Then you just need to go and verify your email address. Once you verified your email, you'll come to a page like this. Just make sure that you watch this video as it will give you instructions on how to actually be a good tester and what you need to do. You'll be given instructions to follow, and these can be things just like reviewing the page and giving your first impressions, or going through the website and clicking on an area where you expect something to happen. There's quite a variety of different things they can ask, but they're all pretty simple. Now something that you need to do while you're completing tests is to think out loud and keep talking, because this is how you're able to give true feedback on what you're thinking in the moment. So it's important that you do that. So before you can actually get approval to take tests that you get paid for, you need to complete a trial test, and this is so they can see that you've read all the instructions and you've watched the video, and so that you know what you're doing, so you can give the best tests and feedback possible to their clients. So once you've watched this video, you can just click skip, and you just need to download a software which is a plugin on Chrome, and this is just so it will record your screen and record your voice on the microphone, and then it will proceed to take you to take the trial test. Now once you've completed the trial test, I think it can take around 7 days to be approved for the platform, so you can start taking paid tests. You'll come to a dashboard that looks like this, and the first thing that you should do once you get approved is go to my profile. Once you're on the page, just click on edit profile and start filling in all this information. And this is just so then they can send you more tests that fit your demographic. The next thing you should do is go to your settings. So if you click here and go to settings, then just scroll down and you'll see the option to put in your PayPal address. This is the only payout option that they have. So just put your PayPal address in there. Whenever you complete a test, they automatically pay you around 7 days later once you've completed the test, and it will go straight into your PayPal account. So to start taking paid tests, you just need to go to available tests, and you'll see all these tests are ones that you can take the questionnaire for. Because you're not eligible for all of them, you need to take questionnaires to see which ones you're eligible for. So just click take screener, and you'll just be asked a question that you need to complete truthfully. You shouldn't lie on these, just because if you get found out that you're lying and you're taking tests that you're not actually eligible for, then you can actually be banned. So just answer the best you can. If you're eligible for the test, it will show you what the test is, and it will give you the option to decline or accept it. But if you're not eligible, it will take you back to the dashboard so you can do some more to see if you are eligible for those. It's also important that you make sure that you do test well and you don't rush them just to get them done quickly, because whenever you take a test, you tend to get a rating from the customer. Under completed tests, you'll be able to see all the tests that you've finished, and which ones you've been paid for and which ones are still pending. And you can actually also see here the rating that you get from customers. Not all of them are rated, but some of them do. And this is important because the higher your rating, the more tests that you'll be given by user testing. You can see on my account that I have 4.5 stars, and this means that I do actually get quite a lot of tests that come in to complete. You can see that I've completed quite a lot of tests, and I've added them up, and I've done 50 tests, so that's $500. And if on average that's around 10 minutes for each test, then I think that's about 8 hours for $500. That's not a bad hourly rate. And just to show you some proof, this is my PayPal account, and you can see that I've been receiving lots of payments from user testing. $10 straight into my PayPal account. Now there's also 2 other websites that you can use alongside user testing. Even though user testing is the main one where I think most of the money is made, if you also use these other 2, then you can try and earn extra and to maximize your earnings. And these are Validately and IntelliZoom. And I've left those links as well in the description below, so I suggest you try it and sign up to all 3. If you enjoyed this method, I'd appreciate if you smash the like button, and it will really help with the YouTube algorithm. I love to see everyone's results, so let me know in the comments section how you get on with this method and what you thought of it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I release future videos. And lastly, if you want exclusive access to all my programs and opportunities that I'm involved with, I've left a link in the description below, and that will take you to my Inner Circle Facebook group. I'd love to welcome you in there as part of the community, so I look forward to seeing you there. Have an awesome rest of your day, and until next time.